So we have our turf right here. Whoa! So now to serve a nice, beautiful salad. What is the surf and turf? Turf and turf, Omny, summer 2025. Welcome everyone. Hi, this is Chef Vicky Ratnani and welcome to Omny Kitchen. In Gurgaon here, I bring to you the entire travel experiences around the world. Now today I'm going to be making you a fantastic version of a surf and turf. What is a surf and turf? It could be anything which is from the sea like fish or shellfish, and the turf is actually from the farm. So my interpretation of the surf and turf which I have for the summer of 2025 is actually a beautiful tiger prawn along with a really nice aged New Zealand lamb chop. Now I'm going to be cooking these on the grill and we're going to be serving this with a fantastic, beautiful, crunchy, summery salad. Now I don't like to adulterate my seafood too much. It's really nice and fresh. So I've got here with me a little bit of sea salt. I've got a little bit of black pepper. We're going to start off first is putting these on the grill. Okay, drizzle them with a little bit of butter so they get a very nice, beautiful, actually a nice smoke flavor to it. And we are cooking these at about 450 degrees. Now I'm just going to be turning this up. I'm going to be adding a little more oil, some really nice herbs. So we're going to be adding some beautiful fresh thyme here, lemon juice, and that's all we need. And into the oven. So I'm going to be giving this about 2 to 3 minutes. And in the meanwhile, I have my lamb chops here, which are really nicely aged. So I'm going to be adding a lamb chop to the grill right here. So here I have a little bit of just some rosemary here, cherry black pepper from Kerala. Next, we're going to add our prawns. And it's time to plate it up. Whoa! So now to serve a nice, beautiful salad, okay, I've got cracked black pepper, lovely sea salt here, a bit of this lovely parsley oil, and a little bit of these spring onions. I'm like to add some beautiful fresh mint leaves. I'm also be adding a little bit of lemon juice to this, okay? It's very summery, it calls in the season. We have the surf here, and then along with that we have these amazing, lovely lamb chops, which are cooked just under perfection. Some lovely shaved fennel, some cucumbers, some spring onions, some little frizzy lettuce. Welcome to Omny, and let there be many more.